educators and people who are watching this video. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you've been giving us. In today's session, we're going to talk something more interesting. So, a lot of places when you want to show about music, you generally play some video on YouTube, and that is it. Now, on the Bytello Class application, you have the feature of piano. Let me show you how that works. Just go on to your Bytello Class application, click on More, you see piano here. Now, here with piano, you can directly use your stylus or you can use your fingers so it makes class more interesting, but at the same time students can use this because of the multi-touch facility we have. You can directly play piano while the session is happening. With that, I would like to conclude today's session. Thank you so much.